The Squarespace app provides on-the-go access to manage and monitor your website. Here's a brief guide on how to use the Squarespace app. Download and install. Download the Squarespace app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your mobile device. Log in. Open the app and log in using your Squarespace account credentials. Dashboard overview. The app opens to a dashboard providing a snapshot of your website's performance, recent activity, and key analytics. Content management. Edit or add blog posts, update your portfolio, or modify site content using the app's intuitive interface. You can manage your site's content effortlessly. Monitor analytics. Keep track of website metrics such as traffic, popular content, and audience demographics. Access real-time analytics to make informed decisions. Respond to comments. Engage with your audience by responding to comments on blog posts or other interactive sections of your site directly through the app. Receive notifications. Enable push notifications to stay informed about new comments, form submissions, or other essential site activities. E-commerce management. If you run an online store, use the app to manage orders, track inventory, and stay updated on sales and customer activity. Mobile blogging. Create and publish blog posts directly from your mobile device, allowing you to share content even when you're on the move. Site settings. Access basic site settings, adjust permissions, and make quick updates to your site's configuration.